It's Evelyn here, and welcome to Evelyn Colors. Today I am flipping through Hanna Karlzon's new book. And the name of this book is, wait for it.
In Norway, you, Swedish, however, you, you.
Okay, I got it. Did y'all hear that? This is Hanna Karlzon's Christmas book. Translated into English, it says Merry Christmas. You heard how to say it in Norwegian and also in Swedish. Let's get into this book, shall we? Let's go. I am so glad I ordered it because I don't have any Christmas books. I got rid of all of my Christmas books. Check out the cover. The cover is lovely. It is a gift wrapped book or a gift wrap box, if you want to think of it that way. It has the God Jul, Merry Christmas here with gold around the tag here, or the name tag, gift tag, and also gold little speckles around it. I think it's cute. It's simple yet elegant and pretty. I like it. If I turn the book over, I have the ribbon here for the gift wrapping, and also a message for us in another language, and I will translate this and put it up on the screen when you actually see this video.
Welcome to Celebrate a Magical Day with Hanna Karlzon's evocative coloring book, Merry Christmas. The book is filled with pleasant Christmas pictures that the whole family can help color together. Santa's decorations, Christmas trees, snowmen, nice packages, angels, and everything else that belongs to Christmas. So light some candles, set out a cup of hot chocolate, and colored pencils and get into the Christmas mood with Merry Christmas, illustrated by Hanna Karlzon, one of Sweden's most popular coloring book creators.
Now, let's take a look in this book. I ordered this internationally. It was my first time placing an order like that, and I got my order fairly quickly. I was impressed with how fast I got my order. I paid $19 and some change for this book, I believe. Okay. Well, did I? I don't know. I'll put the price up here on the screen. I think it was more than that. Really, I can't remember. Okay, I'm so excited to share this with you. Let's take a peek inside, or a look inside here. We always like our what? Hardback book. First page that I see, it says Good Yule, Good Year, Merry Christmas. There's a little stocking there. Very cute. On this side, we have the copyright information and the publication information. This here is so cute. This is the This Book Belongs To page, I do believe. It's very cute. I like it. I like it. The paper is nice. The paper is the standard Hanna Karlzon's paper, or Karlzon's paper. This looks like it's white on camera, but it is actually off-white paper. And it's pretty good paper. It's not heavy paper, but it is still pretty good quality paper. The illustrations are front and back, so be careful when you're coloring, when you're selecting the coloring medium that you are going to use for the pages. I like this. That's it. That is the flip through of God Jul or God Jul, Merry Christmas by Hanna Karlzon. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section. I do like the pages in this book, and I look forward to coloring in this book for the holiday season. Take care, and until next time, keep coloring. Bye.